I'm hanging out down in Joe's garage, AAPEX 2023, where the latest and greatest of new technology is being demonstrated with live, hands-on demonstrations. One of the great new products here at the show is from TEXA. This is their line of AC machines. Let's take a look at all three of them. This is the 750R, your dedicated R134A refrigerant machine, completely automatic. It has a large 50-pound tank, and this is also really great for fleet vehicles and large heavy-duty commercial vehicles, as it has 9-foot hoses. Completely automatic, it will remove the old oil, inject new oil, and it'll also inject UV tracer if needed. Nice screen, well lit, with a complete vehicle database, so there is no guessing about how much refrigerant you need to add to each vehicle you're servicing. Heading over to the 760R, this is our dedicated 1234YF AC machine. 10-inch touch screen. This is only dedicated for 1234YF, so it does have a built-in identifier sampling refrigerant before it's completely removed, so there is no cross-contamination possible, which we know in the industry, that's a real concern. This has an excellent vehicle selection database as well, and it also will walk you through and tell you exactly how much time is left, how much is in the tanks, and a very convenient gauge on the bottom that lets you kind of know, it's like a fuel gauge of when your filters and when your vacuum pump oil needs replaced. And these machines make it easy. Moving over to the 780, both machines, like my 760, my 780, my filters are easily accessed here, and my vacuum pump can be accessed down here. Really convenient. One of the great things that I love about this machine is the fact that not only it has Wi-Fi that I can email reports if there is a problem, but I also have remote assist available direct from TEXA if there's a problem. Maybe they can handle that before making a service call and saving you that uptime that you need. I think one of my most favorite things about this equipment is the app that they have that allows you to see how much time is remaining if you wanted to walk away and work on another car. Talk about efficiency. Gives you all the information right here. The other great thing about the 780 is it's a dual gas system. No switching between 1234YF and 134A. This machine can do them both. Come down here to Joe's garage. I'm telling you what, seeing TEXA's new line of AC machines, absolutely awesome.